In today's video, I'll show you the way that you can add in a channel banner and a profile picture for your YouTube channel. If you just created a YouTube channel and you're trying to add in or upload both of those images, in today's video, let me show you the process. Open up a web browser and then head over to YouTube. Make sure that this is the Google account that is linked with your YouTube channel. Click on the profile icon on the top right and then head over to view your channel. Make sure that you created the banner and the profile picture before you try to upload it. Once you're inside of your YouTube channel, click on Customize Channel. Once you click on the Customize option, you'll straight away land on the Customizing section of your YouTube channel. Here you'll see the option of adding in the banner and the profile picture for your YouTube channel. Click on the Upload option for your banner and then just pick the banner that you're trying to upload. Now there are going to be three options, which is the viewable option of your banner. This section is viewable on all devices. This entire section from left to right is viewable on desktop. And if somebody is watching on a TV, the entire whole screen will be visible. So this is the main part. So make sure you fix the banner where you like and make sure that the image is clearly visible in this section. Once that is done, click on Done. And there you go, the banner now has been uploaded. Moving on to the profile picture, click on the Upload option and then similarly select the profile picture that you're trying to upload. You can adjust and crop the image as you like and then click on Done. And your profile picture now also has been uploaded. To save all of these changes, click on Publish on the top right. Now if you refresh your page, you can see the logo now has been applied. Now to view the banner and the YouTube profile picture, you can head over to the YouTube channel and both of these images will be now visible. So that's how easily you can add in a banner and profile picture for your YouTube channel. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.